Okay, my husband had rebuilt this transmission on his 2002 Cadillac Escalade, and but we was having, I mean, after he did that, we was having a hard shift from first to second, and then we was getting a code for the pressure control solenoid, a code P0748. So he had to go somewhere today to help somebody, so I started working on the truck. Oh, and this is the I had ordered a accumulator for the hard 1-2 shift offline. It's a brand new accumulator that I'm gonna put in there too, since I already got it. But when I did take the pan down, I did find something, and I'm gonna show it to you guys on what happened. If I can order this offline, hold on. I had ordered all this offline with another pressure control solenoid or whatever, in all the shift solenoids, if you can see it, and the temperature thing here. And it came just like this, the whole little setup with the wire harness and everything. But it is a refurbished one, I think. So I don't know if I really want to use it like that, because after I saw this, when I took the pan down, hold on, let me get it right. When I took the pan down, because when we rebuilt this transmission, we had put a new wire harness on it already, and so this is a brand new wire harness we have on it. If y'all can see it, but I messed up the gasket when I was taking it off. Well, I had to put a new gasket on it anyway. But when I took the pan down, this is what I saw right here. This is the pressure control solenoid right here, my fingers on. And this wire harness was mashed between the pan and the gasket, and it flattened the wires. And I was getting a code for the circuit. And when I pull these wires out, if you look on back, it was kind of shortening out on the case of the transmission. I don't know if you can see that because I ain't got a lot of light. But what I want to do is, instead of taking all this out, this is the accumulator right here, the 1-2 accumulator. The 3-4 accumulators on the other side of the valve body, which the third and fourth is shifting fine. But I don't know if this pressure thing has something to do with the hard shift on the from first to second. But since I got it, I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. But what I want to do, since this was a new harness already, I just want to replace these two wires right here. So I'm gonna cut these out and put some wires in there. I didn't talk to my husband about this. I was calling him, but he didn't answer the phone because I guess he's busy. So I'm just gonna put this in here. I kind of, know a little something. So y'all, I wish y'all could see that real good, because it's like messed up right there. I don't know if the camera focusing on it. As you can see, it was grinding out right here on this piece right here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I be able to film everything, because I can't hold this camera and do the work also. So y'all got an idea. When I get finished with it, then I'll let you see how I got it in there. I want to get some heat shrink wrap to do it with, because I don't think tape is gonna work with all this transmission fluid going on in here. All right, guys, I cut the wires off right here and pull this plug off, if y'all can see this. And I'm just gonna connect them back to the plug. I cut the bad spot out that was connected here but right now I'm about to see if I can take off this 1-2 accumulator. They're size 10, I think, and it's kind of hard for me to get some good light down here. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna have to sit this down here. Hopefully you guys can get one on. I should have put another one on though. See if I can use this here. Okay, got that one loose. This is a long one right here. Let me take this one out back here. It's got springs in here. I think it got like 2 springs inside of it too, so I don't know if it's gonna pop off on me or what, but this transmission fluid coming off of here. Let me get my pen under there because it's leaking fluid now. Okay, here go this screw. Okay. Let me get on the camera. Okay. Okay, let's see if we can get this fluid down in here. So y'all can see it's dropping the fluid everywhere. Okay. I got it down, you guys. Yay. Alright. See, this is and it has the, I think this is the plastic piston. Squeeze that stuff out of there. That fluid out of there. Y'all can see that. I don't know if it's cracked right now at the moment, but alright, okay, I got the piston out. This is the old piston right here, and this is the one I'm gonna put in. This is the new one right here, and I got that out, but it comes out quicker if you just shoot some air into this hole when you're holding it upside down, because you see the other hole is inside of there, and the air make it just come out. But I didn't have that at the time. I didn't feel like going to get all that, so I just tapped on it until it came out. Anyway, this is, you got 2 springs inside it. It goes like this. Put this big one in, and this little one inside of there like that. If I can get it sitting in all right. Okay. Yeah. And then the other one just sits around it. And then this is the piston. Transmission fluid in there, and this is a plastic piston also, and they go bad, so we doing an upgrade from the plastic one to the steel one, as you can see. And on this plastic one, when I pulled it out, you see these nicks right here now? You see that? I don't know if the camera focusing on it, but that's bad right there. You can see it. So, but anyway, it goes, just gotta see them, it goes down on it just like that. And that's how it works. Well, this might not be how it works, but this how it go in there. And over here, now I gotta take this piston out on this one so I can get, so I can put that that ring on that piston. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'll be back. Okay, so I put the ring on here. I don't know if they call this the O-ring or whatever, but I put it on there. So this one should last a lot longer. This is the upgraded version, but and then got the new springs. You can see, go in like that, and like that, and then this goes on, and then the fluid runs through there. So I'm about to get ready to put it back up now. And I'm still waiting on my boo to get here so we can tackle this wire for that pressure control solenoid. And I just decided I'm gonna cut these wires back here, cut this bad piece out here that smashed it. You see that? And I'm gonna just go back with some butt connectors and tap back into the wire, and hopefully the transmission will be shifting. It won't have a hard shift. But until then, stay tuned. I guess I'll show y'all when I put it back up. I gotta get my camera back up under there and all that. And I shall return. It was like this because that long one, yeah, it goes just like that. Because I remember that long screw was over here. Remember that long screw? Just get it started a little bit, you know. Start with your hand first. I guess I gotta start it. Seem like it. Yep, I got it started. Y'all can see it's on there a little bit. Let's see if my other screws, they the same size. These screws the same size. Yep. Yeah, they are. And I don't know the torque specs on this right here, but you guys need it. You should be able to find it online somewhere. I'm just gonna torque it enough. I said I'm gonna torque it enough. And I always want to hand start the screws too. You don't want to get them cross thread. Then you'll be breaking the bolts off and all that stuff. That you don't want to do that. And I know y'all saying, oh, you got the 3/8 gun, but that thing ain't working right. It's kind of getting on my nerves. I might need to drill them up a little bit or something. This one on here, this one. My bad, went a little bit too much on that one. Okay. I think I'm gonna wait till my husband get here, Zan the man, and cause I'm waiting on him to bring me those butt connectors. But I said, let me go and get this out of the way here. Please. Y'all know I took this one off. Alright, I just get it as tight as I can get it. Alright. Okay, that's good. So, that's it on that 1-2 accumulator, guys. That's about it. So I gotta take this old gasket down. It's messed up. That's where it was messed up at right there, if y'all can see that. But take the old gasket down. I can get it down easy. Oh my God. It ain't even been on here that long. It's acting like it's been on here for years or something. Alright, that's what is a gasket. Let me see. That's that print. It's got that Y print on it. Y'all can see that? The wire print. Yeah. I think I got all that gasket off over there. Oh, I got some right here I gotta get. I'm glad it's coming off and I ain't gotta like really scrape it off like that, because that would have been a tragedy. Alright. That's a tragedy going on. It look good here though, don't it? Yeah. The other funny thing I see back here is, I'll talk to Zan about that, because I did find another wire right here where the wire is broke but it's not touching that red and that white wire. Look like it's on a shift solenoid. Okay guys, my boo came on and got these. We went with butt connectors instead because I don't know what I was thinking, talking about shrink wrap, heat shrink, whatever the crap called. But we went with 2 butt connectors on it and connected it back together, and we put the plug kind of, hold on, let me get this light right, kind of on the other side of this harness here. Y'all can see it. because it was running on the outside of it like that, and had the wires over here, so we kind of ran it in that over that way. So y'all can see now. Now we about to get ready to put the gasket and the filter and the pad back on and erase the computer system. Well, delete the trouble codes, let's say that, and crank it up and see what it does. All right.